it's Jazz, and today I want to show you the digital fan with backlight. Now the thing that makes this special is that it is so versatile. If you look at it, you can see that it's sitting on the table, but if I turn it, you'll see that it's actually a giant clip. Now the clamp can go on a table or shelf, but then this fan can do even more. You can also mount it on the wall on a nail, or it comes with a hook that you can hang it with. Once you have this exactly where you want it, it can spin 360 degrees and tilt to be in the perfect position for you. Now it has 5 different speed settings, and you can watch it on the display as it goes all the way up to 100%. Now the display goes back and forth between showing you the fan setting and the battery life, which, speaking of battery life, this is rechargeable for on the go. However, we definitely recommend that you plug it in when you need to use it for long periods of time. And you can set it to shut off at 2, 4, and 6 hours with a double click. This fan has one extra feature. If you hold this button, you'll see a backlight come on. Now that backlight will first cycle through all the colors, but if you hold the button down one more time, you'll lock it in on your favorite color. Now to be honest, the fan is not very bright, but it's great to be able to find it in the dark or just for ambience. The thing about this fan that makes it so special is the fact that you really can use it in just about any type of location. You can place it on your nightstand, mount it on the wall, or hook it in your camping tent. I personally love this fan. I can take it anywhere and it fits in any situation. So why don't you go to PulseTV and learn more about it today?